Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, Teaching Online Math. In this video, we are going to look at two questions involving natural logs or natural logarithms. So these two questions were given on question 12 from a 2023 grade 12 Addma paper 2. The first question, the curves y equal to e to the power 4 minus 3x and y equal to e to the power x minus 8 intersect at a point P. Find the coordinates of the point P. So that's the first one. The second one, B, find the equation of the straight line which must be drawn on the graph of y equal to 3 minus e to the power 2x to obtain the solution of the equation x equal to ln square root of 2 minus x. So these are the two questions we want to answer in this video. So starting with the first one, A, the curves y equal to e to the power 4 minus 3x and y equal to e to the power x minus 8 intersect at a point P. Find the coordinates of the point P. So here we are looking for the intersection point of these two curves. And for this, what we have been given are two equations. So we are just going to equate these two equations. And this one will give us the value of x. So we are going to do the following. So the first equation, which has been given here as y equal to e to the power 4 minus 3x. So we are going to equate this one to this equation. This is because the value of y at that intersecting point is the same for the two equations. So this means we can equate this to this. So this will go like this. So e to the power 4 minus 3x is going to equal to e to the power x minus 8. And if you've noted here, the bases are the same. Okay, so this exponential is equal to this exponential function. So these are equal. So this means the bases are the same. And then we can simplify this and equate the powers. So 4 minus 3x is equal to x minus 8. And what we are just going to simply do here is find the value of x. So collecting like terms, 4 will move 8. So 8 is a negative. When it goes this side, it will be a positive. So 4 plus 8 equal to, we'll move 3x to the right. So this will be x plus 3x. Then 4 plus 8, this here is 12, equal to x plus 3x. This gives you 4x. So divide by 4 both sides. So 4 into 4 gives you 1. 1 times x gives you x equal to 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 12, that is 3. So the value of x is 3. So how about the value of y? How do we get the value of y? So we can simply just pick one of these two equations. For example, picking the first one. Working with the first one, we can find the value of y. So y equal to e to the power 4 minus 3x. So now, since x is equal to 3, I'm going to substitute where there's x in this equation and put a 3 so that we can find the value of y. So y equal to e 4 minus 3 times 3. That's what this means. So then y equal to e. So 4 take away 3 times 3 is 9. Y equal to e to the power 4 minus 9. This is negative 5. So this can be written in this form. Y equal to get rid of the negative, we introduce 1. Then we say over e to the power 5. So this is what we get for y. So this simply means that our point P is going to have the value of x, 3, and the value of y as 1 over e to the power 5. So writing the point, so P is going to have the following: 3, comma 1 over e to the power 5. So this here is our P. 3, comma 1 over e to the power 5. Okay, so now moving on to the next part, B. On B, the question reads, find the equation of the straight line which must be drawn on the graph of y equal to 3 minus e to the power 2x to obtain the solution of the equation x is equal to ln square root of 2 minus x. So for this part, for us to get the equation of the straight line which must be drawn on the graph, okay, of this y equal to 3 minus e to the power 2x, and then get this solution, we will start with this same solution. Okay, we'll solve this in reverse. We'll start with the solution given. So now, if you look at the solution given, x is equal to ln of square root, okay, square root 2 minus x. So we are going to introduce the exponential function to this solution. Okay, and what we're going to have is the following. So if we introduce the exponential function, this will go like this to this function. So e is going to be to the power x equal to ln is going to multiply by e, and then we're going to have square root 2 minus x. Now, ln times e, ln and the exponential function will multiply to give us 1. So this will give us the following: e to the power x equal to, this gives 1. So on the right side, we are just going to remain with 2 minus x, square root of 2 minus x. Then what we are just going to do is the following: to get rid of the square root on this right side, we introduce square. Okay, so square both sides, and square both sides will mean that it will multiply with the x here, and this will give us 2x. E to the power 2x equal to the square, and the square root will simplify on the right side, so leaving us with 2 minus x. Then what we are going to do is the following: we know that y is equal to 3 minus e to the power 2x. So on this equation here, we are going to substitute where there's e to the power 2x, we are going to put 2 minus x. So this is going to be as follows: y equal to 3 minus e to the power 2x. So on e to the power 2x, we are going to put 2 minus x. So this will give us the following: y equal to 3 minus, open bracket, 2 minus x. So we've substituted. On e to the power 2x, we've put 2 minus x. And then multiplying what we have here will give us the following: y equal to 3, negative times positive, that's negative, negative times negative, positive, then x. So y equal to, starting with x, then 3 minus 2 here, we get 1, so positive 1. So y equal to x plus 1 is the equation of the straight line, okay, which when drawn, this equation is going to meet with this curve here, okay, and we are going to obtain the solution of the equation as x equal to ln square root of 2 minus x. So this here is the solution for B. All right, so we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for following through as I was solving this question.